Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is today's look. This is my Valentine's Day look. I know last year I did a Valentine's Day look and it was kind of like a sultry dark color. This year I wanted to do a pretty purples and kind of like neon purples and pinks with a little deepness in the inner and outer corners. So I really love this look today. So I hope you all enjoy this. It's nice to be back doing tutorials again for you guys, and hopefully I can keep doing more. Let's get started. Oh, you guys, we're back with another tutorial. Yeah. So for today's palette, we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina. So I'm going to go in with this color Passion, and I am going to pack it on my lid. And I'm going to keep this color really low on my lid. And I'm just going to pack it into that crease. And then, now that I have it on there, I'm just going to blend it right here, but not all the way out. Just so it doesn't leave a harsh line. And I'm going to take this pink color. It's called Love, this one right here. And then I'm going to use that same brush and put some of that on my brush. Tap a little bit of the excess off, and then I'm going to go right here and blend that color into the first color that we put down. I think I'm going to take a little bit more of that Passion color and deepen it just a smidge. And then again, I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of that pink color. And then I'm just going to blend a little bit deeper. There we go. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. But I'll pull you guys closer so you can see. I'm going to take some of my concealer that I used earlier and dot a little bit on the middle of my eyelids and spread it out real quick. Okay, so I have that in the middle of my eyes, and I'm going to blend that out a little bit because I don't want it to look like that. And then I'm going to go into the color called Celestial right here. And then I'm going to heavily pack that on the middle where I put the concealer. Alright, and next I'm going to take a pink shade called Wild Child right here. Oh, right here. Right here, I'm going to take that shade. And then I'm also going to use my finger because that usually holds the pigment better. And I'm just going to add a little bit of color dimension. I am actually going to go do my face off camera because it's all still the same. Nothing has changed, but yeah, I'm going to go do that real quick off camera. So see you in a second. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I had a lot of fun making another tutorial again. I feel like I'm so like out of place, and I feel like I don't know what I'm doing again. So it feels like it's gonna take some time to get used to doing tutorials again. I did the rest of my makeup off camera. I used the Morphe lashes in the style Eye Traction. I need to order new lashes because I feel like these lashes are getting worn out. I used that highlight palette from Anastasia, and I used this color, Unicorn, in the corner of my eye to make that pretty little like iridescent purple pop. And I used, hold on, it's a little messy. I used this color, Regal, for my face highlight, which you can never freaking see when I do my highlight, and that's so freaking annoying, but that's the color I used today. For my lip liner, I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place lip liner in the color Rose, which these are actually pretty good lip liners. I had recently just been like trying all the Estee Lauder makeup that we have at the store where I get my makeup, and it's pretty good. The only problem is like with these pencil ones, I have trouble like trying to sharpen them. Like, how are you supposed to sharpen this? Like, I don't really know, but I'm trying to figure it out. I tried using like a regular pencil sharpener and it's not working, so I don't know. And then over that lip liner, I used this L'Oreal liquid lipstick in, it's called I Create. For some reason, these have no packaging. Like, this has a packaging. There's no label on it. Like with all of them, there's no label to tell you what it is. I had to look up on their Instagram, and it's basically like a Rouge liquid lipstick. It's a matte liquid lipstick, but it's actually really lightweight. It's really comfortable. I have I think 4 other colors from these, and it's so comfortable. It looks so natural. And because it's a matte, I really don't like matte liquid lipsticks that much. But this one is so lightweight that I can wear it pretty much all day without messing with it, without it feeling crusty, without it like flaking away down here. It's so comfortable, and I love these so much. So I will link these down below so you know what they are. I think that's it. This is my Valentine's Day look, and I hope you all enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!